So that's SM Baguio. That's Hotel Venice. So we are gonna be going there. This Baguio City Market. We're gonna go there. Hello, Tita Joy. Kumusta? Ano ka lang yung ube. The best ube in Baguio to. Tita Joy. Number 1, di ba to, Tita? Number 1. So that was number 1 pwesto dito sa may overpass. The best ube halaya. May Lola. Lola Best. Number 1 stall. Baguio City Market. So if you are here in the overpass, just go to the left. Makikita nyo dun, look for Tita Joy. The best ube halaya. So we are now here in Session Road. Cedar Peak. So we are already here. Cedar Peak. Okay, Cedar Peak, we're here. Infinity. So we're gonna go up to Union Bank. Stores here. So there, Union Bank. We're gonna check